Let's talk about the Nikkei 225, the Japanese stock market index. A few things have happened recently. Firstly, we know they're raising interest rates because wage growth is high, and that's obviously not great for stock markets. Number two, Trump is saying that the Japanese currency is too high, and Japanese wants to please Trump, so they're allowing their currencies to gain, and that is something as well that's influencing the Japanese stock market index. So let's take a look at it. What can we expect going forward? Well, the price was stuck within this range for quite a long time, from September 24th, and we now left that range behind, with these lows here being the most critical levels to watch. So this would be the range. And the general idea is that as long as you trade below these levels, say for example, 37,927, then we could trade to the downside. Well, how much lower? Well, if we treat this like a rectangle, then it suggests we can head all the way down towards this low here, which is the low of September 6, 2024. How can we trade this then? Well, we can zoom in on something like a 4-hour chart. Here we can easier see the levels that are relevant. And if we would use this like a trend defining level, then let's add that there. And then instead we say, okay, if this is the trend defining level, where are people going to be quite keen on going short? Well, they're either going to sell, for example, if this trades sideways for a few more days, then sell a break to this lows, triggers a down move. Alternatively, I would argue that people would be quite keen on sort of short selling, I would say around this level here. And I would argue with more information here, we can probably lower this trend defining level like that. So with this in mind, we're looking to risk roughly 2.35%. And if we hit the lower levels here, that target, then that would give us a risk reward ratio of 2.3%. What's your take on the Nikkei 225? Is this just a one off and then we're going to go hump higher alongside US stock indices that are at low levels, or will we see further pain? Share your comments below.